Hello everyone. In this lecture, let's study about the types of ecological succession. There are two types of ecological succession. One is the primary succession and the other is the secondary succession. In this lecture, let's study about the primary succession. Primary succession starts off with the introduction of the pioneer species. So now what the pioneer species do is that they grow, they develop, and during this process they change their entire habitat conditions. So now this new habitat will be used for the growth of the new species. So now the new habitat will be favorable for the establishment of new set of species. Now it's important to understand how this entire process goes on, where the pioneer species get established and how they change its habitat and how the changed habitat is suitable for the growth of the new species. For that, let's understand the life cycle of the pioneer species. First, the pioneer species grow, and gradually as the time passes by, they die. So this death of the pioneer species leaves certain patches of organic matter. So this organic matter can be used as the habitat that is suitable for the growth of the small animals, and this organic matter is also found to release certain organic acids which are produced during the decomposition of the pioneer species. And it's also important to know that this organic acid first etches over the substratum, that is it forms as a layer over the rock, and then it gets dissolved in the rock. So what happens now is the fact that the nutrients will reach the rock. So when the rock gets converted into the soil, that is whenever the fragmentation happens, then the rock gets converted into the soil, and this soil will now be fertile in nature because the rock from which the soil is formed does have a lot of nutrients. So now this fertile soil can be used for the growth of a lot of plants. So gradually the biodiversity will increase and there will be increase in the nature development. And the output of the primary succession can be concluded as the disappearance of the pioneer species and the establishment of the new set of species. So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture and you have understood the concept of primary succession. For more updates, you can subscribe to this channel.